Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Song Beyond the World or Fuge Across the World, chapter 87. So here it is. Let's read the story. Mr. Wu said, I'm really lucky today. Oh, she put the card down. Look at him. Maybe he is trying to deceive everyone. Also, he looks really mischievous. Now, Keyunji, she was laughing, but Mr. Yu is playing tricks on the game. It was not right. No one is gonna notice it. Now, Keyunji suddenly stopped Mr. Yu. She grabbed her hand. It was tightly. Well, of course, she is trying to stop him, so he can really deceive everyone. Who are you? What are you doing? I'm doing well. But, of course, right now, you don't want to know the people that he was hiding the cards. Goyunji put up everything. Turns out there's a lot of cards inside her coat and it was really going to deceive everyone. It was dropping continuously. So it turns out he was really deceiving people inside the room and no one's gonna notice it. That's why he continued to win all the time and it really caught the attention of Gyeonji and the team. Now, with Gyeonji, he's been caught. The other employee is oppressing Mr. Yu. Other man said, oh, he hides so many cards. What else you have to say? Gyeonji said to him, no wonder he has been winning. Finally, Miss Sin already came in. Now she's going to lead them. Go and give me all the money on his body. Sister Sin asking the employee, then throw him out. Yes, madam, the employee said to Sister Sin. Mr. Yu, he seems to be surprised, told them, who dares to touch me? Do you know who I am? I tell you, and you will regret it. Mr. Yu said to all of them. He was really getting furious. Look at him. He was really screaming loud. No, Sister Sin said. Start searching. Ben follows her order. Well, she's still the boss of Bisingtang. Everyone seems to be having chat. But of course, right now, Kay and she moved closer to her. Boss, how? We can act. Now, she was trying to ask her what they're gonna do to the man. Well, maybe Xiao Ying tell them about this man. That's why she's been alerted. Also, to punish him, right? Now, Sister Sin, she moved closer to Jaehyunji and said to her it was majestic. Well, probably it was praising her because she really did well tonight. Little Ge, Sister Sin was calling her. But Jaehyunji, she seems to be confused. Also, she seems to be rattled. Her face, it's really turning red. Well, for now, I'm be your foreman. And that can be a majestic. Oh, this girl. She becomes silly. Sister Sin, she was really laughing hard. Oh, it makes sense. Sister Sin told her, I like her majestic look appearance. So it turns out, when you're in love, you really can face your lover. Especially at this moment. Even she suddenly becomes quiet. Well, maybe she was taking her a chance to be able to get closer to her. But, of course, at this moment, Mr. Sin said to her, let's continue. Interrogate the man and also this Keyunchi. Well, this day, she becoming closer to her, especially happened on that fast night when the misunderstanding is finally solved. Mr. C praising her, keep working, poor Mange. Well, she looks really handsome, right? Even though now she was the boss, the other man, she was still amazing on her work, always helping her colleagues. Now, back to the venue. Mr. Yu said, let me go. Till now, he was really babbling too much. Of course, it was really a problem for the crew. You wait for me. There are people behind me. You wait. But is this the man who has the surname Hu? Xiaoying, she really get noticed the man. It is really makes sense. Ah, why was it blasted out here? So it turns out she is not surprised that this person is really not good. Because Pising Tang, he put the man outside and seeing by shouting like that. Of course, she seems to be happy. Mr. Hu, Miss Wang, you, how are you? I'm here to find my friend. How about you? What happened? Showing she was acting tough, also pretending to be concerned about the man. Ah, hey, it's a long story. Mr. Yu said to Xiaoying. Looking at Mr. Yu, don't have any confidence at this moment. Was suddenly rushing through. I still have an urgent matter. I will go first and let's talk about it next time when we have a chance, Miss Wang. Oh, Mr. Hu. He was really rushing through. Xiaoying, it makes sense. She was laughing at this moment. She really can hide her feelings. As far as she is concerned, he looks like a monkey with a guilty conscience. Mr. Singh told Xiaoying, Xiaoying, how are you? Why did you come? So, it turns out, we don't know everything about the man. No, it was only a clear state. Mr. Sin, I'm looking for Keke. Don't worry, nothing's happened. I just want to chat with her. Mr. Sin, she looks really surprised. Oh, that. Xiaoying, I remember you and Xiaoge met since you were too young, right? Xiaoying said to her, yes. Oh, is she really getting jealous about this? At that time, I just begged for a long time and I was always teased by the others. After getting to know her, she often helped me to come out and prevent those skinny children. Showing she was really laughing hard. Anyway, it was really fun to stay with her. Now, she really can't hide it anymore. Her feelings, it was really getting better. Well, let's really hope for this. Mr. Sin said to her, it was so good. But why did you suddenly ask this? Showing she was asking her a question. Ah, it was nothing. I just want to know and learn more about my subordinates. So please don't tell Xiaoge about this. Mr. Sin, her face, it was really turning red. Oh, showing she remembers everything. Or she was asking Gayunche, oh, did you like her? It's no wonder that my sister is a big beauty. Only now, it really makes sense to Xiaoyi. Now, she knows what Gayunche and Sister Sing, what's happening on the two of them. Now, she looks really surprised, right? Also, she was still calming herself. Well, let's see. What's gonna happen? Xiaoying said to Sister Sin, don't worry, I will never tell her. Sister Sin, if you want. Xiaoying, she was holding her shoulders. I'll talk to you more about Keke in the future. Ah, it is okay. Sister Sin said to her, hey, you will learn more about your subordinates. Well, Xiaoying, she know how to coax people. Next time, I'll tell her to go over the wall on someone else's own. It's almost a matter of being plunged into the big fan. Ha ha ha. Xiaoying and Sister Sin was laughing. Yunchi, she was sneezing. Who is speaking ill of me? Well, let's see on what's gonna happen. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.